Let's talk about images. We're working on Cricut Design Space for the iPad. Images is on your lower panel. It's the very first button. Let's click on it. This brings you to all of the images in Cricut Design Space. Now, you can scroll through until you find what you're looking for, or you can look by categories. And maybe you want to see what's free this week, or just what's new and recently added, or you can search by different themes, like different holidays. Another way to find what you're looking for is to click on cartridges. Cartridges are groupings of images that have a similar theme. For example, 100 Days of School. There's a cartridge that has all kinds of images along that theme. Let's look at the funnel in the upper right corner. That's your filter. So now you can filter to just your images. Or maybe you just want to see what you've uploaded. Or maybe you want to see what's free. You can filter it that way. There's other categories down here like frames, printables. So these are just print then cut projects. Here's a little tip. If you're looking at these images, you can know that they're print then cut because in the lower right corner, next to the eye, there's a little icon that looks like a little printer. So that tells me that that is a print then cut project. Let's clear all those and just talk about one image at a time here. If I select this image, I can tell that it's selected because it has the green border around it and the little green check mark in the upper right corner. It also has an A in the upper left corner. That means that image is included in Cricut Access. Access is the paid membership, and when you pay for this membership, you're allowed to use the thousands and thousands of images that are available in Cricut Design Space. I don't subscribe to Access, so you can see in the lower left corner, it says 99 cents. That means if I wanted to purchase this one image, it would cost me 99 cents. Before I buy any image, I always click on the little eye in the lower right corner. If I click on that, it tells me the name of this image, but also the cartridge that this image is on. And that text is green, so let's click on that. Oops, didn't click. There we go. So now I'm looking at all the images on that cartridge. And you can see that since there's a lot of them, if I like a lot of these, it might be more cost effective to buy the whole cartridge versus one image at a time. All right, so I'm going to reset that. And that's an overview of how to find images.